Good day viewers, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this question on the board. If today is your first time of watching, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok at Shabest Online Tutorial. So the question on the board says, if y is equal to bracket 1 plus 2s all to the power of 3, we are asked to find the value of dy over dx at s is equals to -1. So this is differentiation. So solution. So our function is given as y is equal to open bracket 1 plus 2 multiplied by s to the power of 3. And we're asked to find dy over ds at s is equals to -2. Dy over ds means the first derivative of this function. So I've differentiated this function with respect to s. So we have dy over ds of this function will be equal to, if you look at this function, it has power. This is function of a function. But today I'll teach you a very short trick to differentiate this function without the use of formula. So what you will do, this is power. This power will multiply by the bracket, then you differentiate what is inside the bracket, then you take away 1 from the power. So what I mean is this 3 multiplied by bracket, we have 3 into the bracket of 1 plus 2s. Then you take away 1 from the power, which is 3 minus 1. Then multiply by, we differentiate what is inside the bracket. Derivative of a constant is 0. Then to differentiate 2s, using our power rule, recall, if you have 2s and you want to differentiate, find this derivative of this function with respect to s, what you do, this s is raised to the power of 1. Then 1 multiplied by 2, it will give me 2s. Then take away 1 from 1, which is 0. And recall, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 1, it will give me 2. So derivative of 2s, it will be 2. So the next thing is to went further to evaluate, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, it will give me 6 into the bracket of 1 plus 2s. Then 3 minus 2, it will give me 2. So this is the first derivative of this function, and the question went further to say at s is equal to -1, which implies that anywhere we see s in our function, we replace it, we substitute -1 as s. So we are going to have at s equal to -1. So we are going to have 6 into the bracket of 1 plus 2. In place of s, I'll substitute -1. Then all to the power of 2. So we can evaluate this 6 into the bracket of 1, then 2 multiplied by -1, it will give me -2, all to the bracket of 2. So we have 6 into the bracket of 1 minus 2, it will give me -1. -1 raised to the power of 2, which is 6 into the bracket of -1 square, it will give me +1, because -1 multiplied by -1, negative times negative, it will be positive. Then 1 times 1, it will give me +1. Then 6 multiplied by 1, it will give me 6. Therefore, our final answer is equal to 6. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok at Shabest Online Tutorial. Thanks.